Hi, I'm Siddesh and I'm starting YouTube. This is my first video, and yeah, it is going to be great. The motive is to do creative things. I have access to YouTube, Instagram. Content is booming now. Uh, Everyone should make content, create content, and I'll be laughing at this video. I know a lot, but being optimistic. Uh, yeah, this is the introduction. I'll start with the video. Okay, so first thing is, why am I doing this? I'll be not thinking about what should I create on, where should I sit, where should I sit and make videos. uh, what is that thing that I'm good at. Yeah, any of that I'm not thinking. uh, what I'll be doing there. uh, I'll be continuing this such type of videos. I don't care. Uh, I'll solve this thing out. Ki my hand is shaking. I am. Uh, I have phone in my hand though. Does. Uh, so okay. I'll be continuing this. Uh, Thing is ki I want to find my mode or what I'm good at. Until then, I'll be exploring things. Maybe I'll be doing vlogs too. Vlogs too. I want to learn AI, documenting things, learn AI, build things. I have. I'm very interested in building things from scratch. Uh, I didn't build anything yet, but this is the one. This is one of the things. This will be one of things. One of the things. This making videos on YouTube and Instagram, and yeah. Until I find my moat. Moat is basically uh, what is my thing or what can I do so great that no one is good at it. And until then, I'll be just creating things, documenting. Documenting, I word is used very loosely nowadays, but fine. It uh, it, uh, it 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 sounds good. Yeah, it's 3.5 minutes, 3.45 seconds. Hmm. I'll be doing this. Uh, yeah, to find my moat. Uh, I have no shame though. I know कि this is the first video, and I don't know it will be worth watching for the consumer or not for the one who is watching. But though I'll be making, I know second video will be more better, but I'll be just putting this out, and I'll be telling no one because I want to grow YouTube. Okay, okay. I'll tell all the motives now that why am I doing this. YouTube, I am very obsessed with sustaining long term because there are trash of creators nowadays who are just on Instagram, and Instagram is a thing with dopamine. As Virat Sheth helped me with this clarity that uh, I was. It's been a year though. Ki I'm thinking on sustaining long term. That how and who do I believe in? What are the examples? I'll just put up some examples. Tanmay Bhatt is an example who sustained long term. Love you. I have learned so much from you. Tanmay Bhatt, Varun Maya, Ranveer. Uh, in entertainment, I'll Bhuvan Bam, Ashish Chanchlani. I'm mentioning the creators though, and Ishan Sharma is the example. And thing is ki first is ki you have to put things out every day consistently. No 5 days gap, no 10 days gap. Just put anything out. If you don't have things, put anything. No one cares. The the thing is ki you should be on someone's screen daily. Yeah, this is the thing I believe. What I believe in. Huh? Uh, this video is trash. I'm just ranting at the screen. But yeah, this is it. Uh, okay, so and second is YouTube, because Instagram is a game of virality, and as Viraj too said, ki everyone's hacking the virality now, and it's very easy to hack the virality. But yeah, this is the thing. And YouTube is basically a thing with CTR, click through rate. Someone's clicking on your video and it's the actual view. But if on Instagram, it's just consumption. If your reel is in that set of reels, it will be shown to people and that view is counted. But though you have to sustain retention there too, because and Instagram is completely for retention, not retention, but just for uh, to basically to build a traction that you exist. You, Siddesh, is a individual in this world, in India, in Mumbai, like this way. Okay, so yeah, this is 7 minutes. uh, I don't think I mentioned things, but yeah, this is I want to do creative things. I want to do creative things, and this is one of it. I'm very interested in doing basically startups, philosophy. I love psychology. I love observing patterns, how humans live, how, and this is it, because this is the thing I have now. Because work-wise, I'm not doing anything now. I was, but things happened. I'm starting new again. Uh, yeah, I'm starting new again. This is the thing. Uh, yeah, to build, to build, to build things. YouTube, Instagram. I'm interested in startups. I tweet. I post on LinkedIn. I post on Twitter. I'll be starting. I'll be starting everything now. YouTube, a video thing. Instagram, a traction thing too, because everyone's on Instagram. 10 years ago it was Facebook, now it is Instagram. Let's see how much Instagram sustain, but I think it will be going long, uh, because as Mark Zuckerberg is building Meta, we don't know. Basically, I don't have that judgment in that thing, but yeah, and also to build judgments, basically to observe things, and judgment is built, as Nawal said this. I don't remember what he, but judgment is so good that you know things 5 years ago, that what will be working 5 years down the line, 10 years down the line, and you just build in that thing. AI is the thing now. Content was the thing 2-3 years ago, but it's booming now. Uh, these two, business is life. I love. I'll be loving, and I want to do things I'm obsessed with, and these are the things. YouTube, Instagram. We just have to put, because we just have to increase the chances of luck by doing this. You tweet, you increase the chances of luck, because no one knows. No one knows, basically. You don't know who will be watching your video, who will be watching your tweet, who will be watching your shit, basically, who will be reading your shit, basically, because everyone's on the phone. Phone is the boom now. Smartphone has boomed. As Apple, I am going everywhere. uh, yeah. So my phone came all the way from here to here. But yeah, I'm starting out. This is going to be fun. Yo, yo, yo. Great. I'm loving this. I want to, and I'm doing this thing. I have my account. I have this account on my second account on Instagram, which is, I have my close ones added there. Uh, two people, and I post videos every day to improve how I talk. I completely talk in English there. I'll be completing 100 videos today there on my that account. uh, yeah, that has given me confidence too. It's been 15 days. It took me 15 days to make complete 100 videos. uh, yeah, this is it, I think. And want to do things I'm obsessed with, I'm happy to do. I If I wake up, yeah, this is very popular thing though, but I believe in it. I want to do things I love. And yeah, signing off. Thank you so much. It was fun. Raw video. Uh, I didn't pause any time. I didn't. This is a one shot straight up video, and I'm posting this. I'm posting this. I talk my heart out, and that's what I wanted to do. Thank you so much. Uh, Signing off. Bye.